Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial over how I painted the round shield on Herrick the Otter Cleric from Darksword Miniatures. A link to that mini can be found down below as well as the paints that I used for this. Before I begin, please like this video and subscribe for more. My social media links are down below as well. First we'll start with our black prime surface. Our light source is coming down from above the miniature as a cone pointing downwards, so the brightest point will be somewhere in the 1 o'clock position. That makes our darkest point about 7 o'clock. The shape of the shield is convex and we want our highlights and shadows to follow this shape. We'll ignore the fish in the middle for now. Here I'm just stippling them dark blue and dark brown, indicating a reflection of ground and sky behind the mini. I'll continue the stipple colors on the shield on top of each other. The closer to the edge of the shield, the brighter it gets, and vice versa for the darker parts. Just keep adding little dots of color until you reach the desired effect. I left an outline of black around the fish to have it stand out from the rest of the shield. For the fish, I wanted this to look like a sockeye salmon, so I used a picture of a salmon as a reference. I added a sunspot to the top of the shield, just underneath the brightest point with a glaze of yellow. On the back side of the shield, I painted the bevel. There are some nicks sculpted into the shield, so I painted most of this dark so I could contrast the nicks with bright highlight. Once that was done, I edge highlighted both sides of the bevel and finished up the leather strap in the back of the shield. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you want to watch me paint the rest of Eric, feel free to click the link in the top right corner to watch the quick paint video. Please like and subscribe for more, and be sure to follow me on my social media listed in the description below. A huge thank you goes out to my patrons, Lenore, Andy, Samantha, and Hugh. And as always, take care and happy painting.